Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's code on the chopping block is P0455, Evaporative Emission Control System Large Leak Detected. Don't worry, that sounds scary, but it's often a simple fix. In this video, we'll walk you through some easy DIY steps to diagnose and potentially solve the P0455 code yourself. The P0455 code means your car's EVAP system, which controls fuel vapors, has a large leak. This can lead to increased emissions and even a failing emissions test. But before you panic, let's get to work. Tools you'll need. OBDI scanner optional, but helpful. Replacement gas cap if that's the culprit. Basic socket wrench set for some purge valve replacements. Loose or faulty gas cap. This is the most common reason. The gas cap creates a seal to prevent vapors from escaping. A loose or damaged cap can throw the code. Faulty purge valve. The purge valve itself can malfunction and get stuck open or closed. Wiring or vacuum line issues. Electrical problems with the purge valves. Wiring or leaks in the vacuum lines can also cause the code. Now let's fixing the problem. Check the gas cap. Turn off your car and open the gas tank. Inspect the gas cap gasket for any tears or damage. Tighten the gas cap firmly. Most cars click when it's on snug enough. Start the car and see if the code goes away. You may need to drive for a short while for the system to reset. Replace the gas cap. If the code comes back or your cap is visibly damaged, you can replace it with a new one. Make sure you get the right gas cap for your car model. It should be a tight fit and click when secured properly. Replacing the purge valve. Locate the purge valve. It's usually near the engine intake manifold. Disconnect the electrical connector and any vacuum lines. Unscrew the purge valve and remove it. Install the new purge valve and reconnect everything. Clear the trouble code with your OBDI scanner. If the gas cap isn't the problem, it might be the purge valve itself. This fix requires a bit more work, so if you're not comfortable doing it yourself, take your car to a mechanic. Here's a general idea of the steps involved, but consult a repair manual for your specific car. By checking the gas cap first, you can fix a P0455 code yourself in most cases. If that doesn't work and you're comfortable with it, you can replace the purge valve yourself. Otherwise, head to a mechanic for further diagnosis and repair. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below if you have any questions and let me know what video you'd like to see next.